Okay guys, we're going to do a review on this Sunday Aaron Ross EX bike. It's not the pro bikes, but it's still an amazing bike. So we're going to start off here with the frame. It is chromoly green frame. It's like forest green. It's nice. With a part of orange and white, I guess. Yeah. Next, we're gonna do the forks. The forks are also chromoly. They're green with the green and white. 75 degrees. Okay, now handlebars. Full chromoly again. Let's see. Also green with the orange and white. Yep, see in there. XL replica. That's so with handlebars. Okay, the stem. Steel color Sunday Freeze top load. It's pretty nice stem. Okay, the headset integrated right there. Okay, the brake soon gonna be off. Brakes suck ass. So if you have brakes, just take them off, okay? They are rush brakes. See there? They're matte black. Okay, brake cable. Odyssey linear. Quick sick. The brake lever, rush hinged, pretty easy to squeeze. Okay, the grips, Odyssey Aaron Ross signature grips, the space bar where they have the numbers, they say spin, hop, Aaron Ross, Odyssey over here, somewhere. Okay, the seat, Odyssey Senior 2 padded pivotal. It's a nice seat. See Odyssey right here. And if you have this seat and you're really retarded, and well, you're not retarded, and you can't figure out how to tighten it, right here, you stick an Allen key down there, and there's a little thing, you can't really see it, but down there, right there, you can't really see it, but there it is. It'll be two cracks. You stick an Allen key down there, figure out which one fits, twist it right, and it'll tighten up where you want it. Okay, let's see. Seat post, Pivotal Odyssey seat post. It's a snub, so it's not that big. It's about that big. About that big. That's how big the pole is at the bottom. Okay, now the seat clamp, Sunday steel color again, like the freeze stem. Okay, the next one we'll talk about is the sprocket, Sunday saber tooth, aluminum. It's the steel color again, matches the seat clamp and freeze stem. So not much to talk about it, but the cranks, 3-piece tubular chromoly, 107 mm. Nice still, the green. So yeah, and again, the 175 millimeters there, it's along there. The forest green again. Okay, bottom bracket, sealed mid 19 millimeters. See right there. Okay. The pedals, Odyssey Twisted PC, really orange with green plug. Okay, rims, Odyssey Quadrant. Size 36. See there, bring back the matte black. Okay, the front hub sealed. Another orange. Nice rim. Nice hub. The rear hub sealed cassette, 14 millimeter. And again, the orange. Tires, Odyssey Signature Aaron Ross, just like the grips. They have the Aaron Ross name. And, yep, so those are the tires. We got the the chain, KMC. Just the normal black chain, I guess. Weight, the weight of this bike is 26 libs. It's pretty heavy, but it's really good weight for a bike. Like, you're not gonna go wrong with this bad boy. Okay, gold crown valve caps. Those are off Dan's Comp if you're looking to get them. Most of these parts you can get on Dan's Comp or Bmx Gallery downtown, right by Shaw Millennium Park. It's a very good bike spot. You can get the Twisted PC Aaron Ross grips. You can get Aaron Ross bars. You can get the tires sometimes. You can get very nice chains. You can get sprockets. So, yep, that's the review.